gonna need a lot of help. I don't know if you can see those cars down there. Yeah.
Severe weather struck central Ohio and surrounding areas, triggering flash floods following a burst of heavy rainfall. Cities such as Zanesville, Pataskala, and Reynoldsburg, along with other areas near Columbus, were among the locations affected by rapidly rising and widespread floodwaters. Heavy rainfall throughout the day overwhelmed drainage systems, causing numerous roads, intersections, and residential neighborhoods to become submerged.
Oh my. And the water.
They go trying to save the day. And I don't know if there's another accident.
26 through 2030, the U.S. there's only going to be Ohio, West Virginia, and down is all going to be safe. Everything else will be in the water.
Reports from various weather sources and local media indicated that the heavy rain prompted flash flood warnings across parts of central Ohio. Some areas experienced significant rainfall accumulation in just a few hours, causing water to quickly inundate major roads and residential neighborhoods. Local weather authorities issued warnings advising residents to avoid non-essential travel while the extreme weather conditions persisted.
Ridiculous. I had an interview today. I can't even go to it. I got
In Reynoldsburg, water levels reportedly rose rapidly along several major roadways. Some locations received over 4 inches of rain in a relatively short period, causing pooling water to escalate into flash flooding. Passing vehicles were forced to slow down or come to a complete stop, as normally busy streets turned into rushing torrents. Many drivers opted to seek alternative routes or wait for conditions to improve.
Down through there. The only thing that I'm seeing that's able to come down through here is semi trucks, and barely. Look at that.
Meanwhile, Pataskala and the surrounding rural areas faced a similar situation. Ditches, creeks, and drainage channels overflowed, unable to contain the surging volume of water. The water then spilled onto local roads and low-lying areas, submerging sections of roadway and disrupting transportation for several hours.
Don't think they're going to be getting their equipment right anytime soon.
In Zanesville, persistent heavy rain caused recurring flooding in known flood-prone areas. Runoff from higher elevations flowed toward the urban center, increasing the depth of the water in various locations. Residents reported that some streets resembled temporary rivers, with currents flowing along the roadway, a striking visual testament to the extreme weather event that unfolded that day.
And this is my backyard.
And it's just rushing like crazy. Ain't no stop to that at all.
It wasn't up here just.
The Columbus metropolitan area also experienced significant impacts. Many urban roads saw rapid pooling of water following heavy rainfall across the region. Some reports indicated that water covered so much of the road surface that lane markings were barely visible. Drivers were urged to exercise caution and avoid flooded areas, as it was difficult to gauge the water's depth.
Hope so. They're saying we got one there. I'm really hoping that means it's starting to see.
Beyond disrupting traffic, the flash flooding affected daily activities. Evening commutes were slowed by temporary road closures and increased congestion. Operations at various public facilities were disrupted as access was hindered by standing water. Nevertheless, emergency personnel and road maintenance crews continue to monitor conditions at various locations to ensure public safety.
Dang!
See, this is my brand new car.
I know.
I mean,
I know.
just a little.
Numerous videos circulating on social media showed roadways transformed into rushing brown currents due to runoff from surrounding areas. Some vehicles were seen inching through the floodwaters, while others opted to wait in safer locations until the water receded. These conditions demonstrated how quickly flash floods can develop when heavy rain falls over a short period.
Soon.
Meteorologists identified a combination of humid air, an unstable atmosphere, and slow-moving thunderstorms as the primary factors behind the day's heavy rainfall. As storms persisted over the same area for several hours, the volume of water reaching the ground increased drastically, ultimately triggering flash floods.
Oh my God.
This is my garage. Looks like my car is fine. The water, it looks like it's actually...
Local authorities and weather agencies have advised the public to remain vigilant regarding rapidly changing weather conditions. Residents are urged to monitor official updates, avoid flooded roads, and refrain from attempting to drive through water covering the roadway. Simple precautions such as seeking alternative routes and postponing travel can help mitigate risks during extreme weather events.
Look at this shit. Niggas trash cans and shit is floating away. This shit is just selling down the street.
The flash flood event of August 20th, 2026 serves as a reminder that extreme weather can develop rapidly and have a widespread impact on daily life. From Reynoldsburg to Zanesville, and from Pataskala to the greater Columbus area, heavy rains have turned many roads into temporary rivers and paralyzed local mobility. Although the waters have finally begun to recede in many locations, the impact of this event will remain a concern for residents and local authorities as they work to improve preparedness for future extreme weather.